documentary films start with like a treasure. It's a treasure of material. Maybe, you know, with friends of your neighbors, they have a whole box of documentary material that they shot Super 8 within their family, and this family has been exploited to some circumstances that are putting this material, making it a treasure because it shows something that the world hasn't seen before. So this friend of your neighbor might say, yeah, you can have it, no problem, you can use it. And you think, that's enough for my, to be covered. It's the same thing for private archival material. You need to at least get the rights from the owner of that material. You would be better off if you have the rights from the people that are on the material as well. And asked for their consent to appear in a documentary film. So this needs to be in a one-sheet, simple contract. In this case, you might run into a problem. People think, oh, this documentary filmer has an interest in my material. Why is that the case? He's going to make money on my material. How am I going to be involved? So you should offer up front, if there is any earnings from a film, that you would have anyone who provides material that is really part of the finished product will participate somehow financially. So you need to find an agreement. You need to make a deal how to reimburse that person later on if there is profits on the film.